Use of bacteria for cancer treatment. This video is a creative derivative product from articles published in famous peer-reviewed journals and government reports. Researchers have developed a new approach to use bioengineered bacteria to infiltrate solid tumors and direct CAR-T, chimeric antigen receptor T, cells to attack them. This breakthrough approach could potentially improve the effectiveness of cancer treatments. William Coley, a physician in the 1890s, noticed some cancer patients experience tumor regression after contracting a bacterial infection. Coley injected patients with bacteria and found that immune system activation could lead to an antitumor response, thus he was nicknamed the father of immunotherapy. Immunotherapy refers to the treatment that uses a person's own immune system to fight cancer. Synthetic solutions for solid tumors are an exciting area of research. Researchers have developed tiny genetic circuits in bacteria that trigger synchronized lysis once the bacteria reach a population density threshold, or quorum, upon which they release genetically encoded cargo. Experts have developed a Trojan horse by engineering a probiotic strain called Escherichia coli Nissel 1917. This strain is equipped with Danino's quorum sensing lysis circuit, which enables the bacteria to release synthetic antigens that stick to the tumor when they reach quorum. Researchers fused a green fluorescent protein, GFP, to the heparin binding domain, HBD, of a placental growth factor protein, which anchored to collagens and polysaccharides present in the tumor environment and planted GFP flags on the tumor. The CAR is modular, so anyone can just swap the antigen binding domain with anything, allowing the researchers to target synthetic GFP antigen. The beauty of this approach is that the CAR-T cells can recognize green fluorescent protein. Researchers are relying on the bacteria to be specific for tumor with GFP flags. Researchers tested a probiotic CAR system in vitro and in vivo using mice with subcutaneous and implanted tumors. The system inhibited tumor growth, showed increased T cell activation, and attracted CAR-T cells to the tumor site. Researchers hope to genetically attenuate the engineered bacteria before transitioning these experiments to humans.